When it comes to wordplay, I'm bringing it. Everything I do is spine tingling, guaranteed to keep your mind lingering. When it comes down to me in the world, I'm fingering. Me against the world, leave the ocean full of pearls. Oyster, guaranteed to get the pussy moister. If the earth don't wanna be saved, I disappoint her. As I constantly try to evolve just like a togepi. Keep my pockets thick as the Parkers, Professor Ogilvy. No one sick as me, having a common cold, catch a cold from me. Isn't it ironic? The younger me is the older me. Fans demand that I rap about shit I did at 17. Might as well I cut my hair off and take some LSD.
Sal, and I might have to raise hell. The only way you live is if you're saved by the bell. Cause I'm teaching niggas lessons while they find a way to fail. That's the reason why I think you niggas tripping like you fell. Well, I flip a coin and make a wish. I wish these pussy niggas found a way to hop up off my dick. I flip a wrist and make her disappear. Now that's a fucking trick. I trick a nigga off the liquor to give me the money before I fucking flip him. The diamonds on my neck, wet flipper. She wet, but her last man wasn't a good swimmer. Simmer. Who got the keys to my bimmer? And then I check my pockets like, oh, it's me, nigga.
Remember to remember.
Tanto subir y caer y romperme en pedazos sin remedio me escondí 360 grados y una vez más renací de la muerte pude salir abrazado a ti 360.
¿Está bien?